Alright guys, so for arthritis you're going to be needing some garlic. Okay, so if you are having any joint pain, any waist pain, elbow, knee and stuff, you'll be needing garlic because garlic works so well in relieving joint pain, and it's great for killing intestinal worms, and it's also a great remedy to flush out toxins, and it's great for cough, cold and catarrh. Then we are going to be needing some lime. Okay, so lime is a great remedy that would help you in healing arthritis, so you're not going to be feeling those joint pains anymore when you use lime. Okay, but when you're using this lime remedy, you have to not use it every day. Okay, and then the next ingredient we're gonna be needing will be ginger. All right, now ginger works in getting rid of arthritis, and it makes you feel very strong, and it also makes you feel agile. Taking ginger would help you relieve cold, cough, catarrh, and it will also remove belly fat. Okay, so now let's prepare this. First we're going to prepare the garlic. Okay, I'm going to prepare the garlic first. Okay, so the way we're going to take this is going to be very helpful. Alright, so for this garlic we are going to be putting this into a blender. Okay, while we prepare the ginger. And for the ginger, I have already prepared one, and now I'm just gonna cut it. Put that also into a blender, and we're gonna be needing 2 of this lime, so to remove the seed I'm going to be using a strainer, and then I'm going to be pressing in the lime into this. Please give me water. So here I have the seed. And after that is done, you're going to blend this using hot water. Okay, so I'm going to put in water in it, and then I'm going to go blend it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the blended arthritis remedy, and what you do is to strain it out. Okay, alright guys, so this is how it is. Okay, so this is how you're going to take this, guys. So what you're going to do is that you are going to pour this into a container, and then you're going to put it inside the fridge. When you want to take it, you take a little bit of it. You shouldn't take too much like this, just take a little bit, you know, and then take a little bit. You can take this 3 times in a week. Okay, in 2 weeks you're going to feel less of those pain, and you're gonna be good. Don't underrate this. I know it's natural. I know some of you guys will be like, well, are you sure it's gonna work? Yes, it's gonna work. Okay, so that's basically what you need for arthritis. Drink this plus hot water. Anytime you want to drink it, you have to warm it again. Okay, let it be very hot, let it be hot. Okay, so don't drink it cold, and don't drink too much of cold water. Avoid taking cold water and cold drinks and all of that. Your arthritis will be gone. And basically that's what you need. You don't need to, you know, buy expensive stuff and all of that. This is just what you need. Let me taste it and tell you how it tastes. Okay, number one, it tastes pepperish. You know that the garlic usually tastes pepperish, and then there's enough taste of the ginger, and then plus the lime. Now, because of the lime in it, you don't have to drink it every day, just 3 times in a day, and you're good. In a week, sorry, 3 times in a week, and you're. And if you do love the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and please share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Drink this and you're gonna be good.